My name is Jim Cavanaugh, and I am currently the Justice of the Peace at Precinct 4, and I'm seeking re-election this November. I have a Democratic opponent, no one in the Republican primary. My background is I started as a school teacher and then became a police officer while I was attending law school at the University of South Texas. I was recruited by J. Edgar Hoover and became an FBI agent, and for the next 27 years I was stationed around the United States. My primary investigative duties involve bank robbers, killers, hijackers, computer frauds, all kinds of criminal activity. I also was the profiler for the FBI and did a number of the serial killers such as Ted Bundy, Chris Wilder, and a whole slew of other ones that you've seen, Paul Knowles. Retired from the FBI in 1996. My wife and I chose to come to Brown County. We bought some property here in 1994, and we've been living here ever since. After 9/11, a number of us old-timers were called back, and we did work for the NSA, Department of Justice, Secretary of State, and other alphabet agencies locating people for the 9/11 crisis. I was asked to run for Justice of the Peace in 2006, and I did so, and I won, and I've been in there for the last 3 years. We're in our 4th year now. Most people don't understand that the Justice of the Peace is the lowest level of the court system in the state of Texas. You're not required to be an attorney, but a law enforcement background or an attorney status does help. We bring in our court system in Brown County, the 4 of us, between 700 and 800,000 a year is booked into the county. We handle about 5,000 cases per year in this county between the 4 judges. We handle all of the mental commitments. We handle all of the inquests where an unattended death occurs in this county. The JP must go to the scene. We make a determination on the cause and the nature of the death. The Justice of the Peace can marry people. We also handle all civil suits. If you've got a dispute with your neighbor, your employer, or a store, up to $10,000, it goes before a Justice of the Peace. We handle all of the truants, the kids that don't want to go to school or the parents who don't make their kids go to school. They appear before the Justice of the Peace. And if we can't work it out with them, then we send them on to see Judge West, who handles them as juvenile delinquents. The JPs here have a lot of responsibility, and I think you need to be very serious in who you vote for Justice of the Peace for non-law enforcement or non-legal background. You need to consider that. I'm asking for your vote.